Hey everyone, in this tutorial, I'll show you how to color grade photos in Affinity Photo in 2026. So if you want to create cinematic colors, improve mood, or make your photos look more professional, yeah, this beginner guide will help you step by step. First, open Affinity Photo official website or launch the app on your PC. Once it opens, you'll see the main editing workspace. Next, click File and then Open to import the image you want to color grade. So, high-quality photos usually give better grading results. Now improve the lighting using brightness, contrast, and exposure adjustments. I mean, balanced lighting makes color grading easier. So yeah, use curves and color balance adjustments to change the mood of the image. Warmer tones create cinematic looks while cooler tones feel dramatic. Next, apply LUTs, filters, or gradient maps for creative color styles. This helps give your photos a unique professional look. Finally, click File and then Export to save your color-graded photo. So export as JPG or PNG depending on your project. And that's how to color grade in Affinity Photo in 2026. Once you learn curves, color balance, and LUTs, creating cinematic edits becomes much easier. If this guide helped you, feel free to check out more photo editing tutorials.